Okay, coming to NPTEL Data Analytics with Python. Previous two assignments we have done some mistakes. Don't worry. If you feel that this answer is not correct, you can comment in the comment box so that we can have a small discussion so that we can correct the answers which we have done. So coming to the week 3 assignment statement. State true or false. Statement: the true specific value of a random variable is called estimator. This is true. Coming to the second question. If the true proportion of the customers who are below 20 years, P is equal to 0.35, what is the probability that the sample size 100 yields a sample proportion between 0.3 to 0.4? This is 0.706. Stratified random sampling is a method of selecting a sample in which the population is first divided into strata and then random samples are drawn from each strata. State true or false. A population is a set of all items or individual of interest. True. Coming to the fifth question. A question paper contains 90 multiple choice questions. There are 4 alternatives A, B, C, D, out of which only one is correct. Mr. X answers these questions randomly. What is the probability X gets a score of at least 10 marks? 0.001. On an average, 5% items supplied by manufacturer X are defectives. If a batch of 10 items is inspected, what is the probability that 2 items are defective? That is 0.075. A car distributor in city Y experiences on an average 2.5 car sales per day. Find the probability that on a randomly selected day, they will sell 5 cars. 0.0668. A car distributor in city Y experiences on an average of 2.5 car sales per day. Find the probability that on a randomly selected day, they will sell no car, that is 0.082. A random sample of 100 people shows that 25 of them are females and rest of them are males. Form a 95% confidence interval from the true proportion of females. The lower limit of the interval will be 0.145. A random sample of 100 people shows that 25 of them are females and rest of males. Form a 95% confidence interval from the true proportion of females. The upper limit of this interval will be 0.335. So you go through the answers once. If you feel any of these answers are not correct, you can write in the comment box so that we can have a small discussion. Okay. Now you can submit your answers. Thank you.